The Southeast governors, what have they done to make sure or to hear from your brother or to make sure that your brother is out from detention?
Well, it's a very good question to ask. From what I know, from 2017 up until today, I'm not sure they have done enough. Or should I say they have done absolutely nothing to secure the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The big question is this. Since 2021 up until today, the Southeast Governors Forum as a body is yet to meet with Mr. President. Why is it taking longer than necessary? The case of Igboho was something completely different. You saw the Yoruba elite, all the politicians, all of them went to Benin Republic to make sure they secure the release of Sunday Igboho. How come in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the governors are completely silent? Like I've said, they are complicit in what is happening. Either they are beneficiaries of insecurity, because if through the one piece in Alibo, by now they would have done something. I repeat, why have they not been to see Mr. President up until today? What are they afraid of? I've listened to some of the things they are saying, because some of them said they're elected leaders, so to speak. Nnamdi Kanu is not elected. So when it comes out, what's going to happen? They are more concerned with his post-release more than anything. They are not even worried about Alibo to be secured. But like I've said, Nnamdi Kanu meant well for everybody. He is not part of the problem, he's part of the solution. I keep saying this over and over again. So why have they not, up until now, met with Mr. President? A few months ago, I saw them on the media saying, oh, very soon we're going to secure Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release. We're going to meet with Mr. President. What is keeping them up until this point?
Don't you think they're doing that in the background?
No, nothing has been done. Let them go and see Mr. President and demand for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You see what will happen. If they are not benefiting from insecurity, I repeat, by the power that be, particularly the Southeast governors, if they are not benefiting from insecurity, believe you me, they would have done something differently. So, somebody somewhere is fighting hard to make sure they will rubbish the name of IPOB. That's what they're doing. They see IPOB as their biggest threat.
All right, recently the Deputy Speaker of the House of Rep, Right Honorable Benjamin Carlo, during the meeting of this new creation of Southeast Development Commission, after their meeting, he made a pronouncement and also begged the President of Nigeria for him to please release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that there will be peace in Southeast. What's your reaction on that?
You know, should I say that different people with different approach, so to speak. In as much as we all have one direction, the way you present this case is what matters so much. He's the Speaker of the House. He's part of the government. He's doing what he's supposed to do. And of course, I commend him for that. You know, I also commend other people who are working genuinely hard to make sure Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is freed. But more importantly, the more we keep begging Mr. President, it looks as if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has committed crime. Don't you know? Do you understand? But like I've said, we are all different people. How we choose our words is entirely up to us. But then I would prefer them making a very firm demand. Firm demand. They need to come together as a people, as a body, as a political elite, so to speak. Come together and make a strong case for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you look at what is happening, you see individuals are calling for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is where I have problem. Why don't they come together as a people from the Southeast, and demand for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? I think that would go a long way. But like I've said, I have my respect for him. He's doing a whole lot of job. And I commend him for that. And for other people as well, I commend them.